Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by Clusesi. So firstly I want to do a couple of shout outs. I don't normally do shout outs, but I thought I would today. So a big shout out to Helen Evans. She is the most sweetest thing. She's won one of my giveaways, but she is like a die-hard subscriber. She always watches all my videos. She follows me on Instagram, and I also put a post up today because my daughter wants to reach 200 subscribers, and she was one of the first, I believe, to go over and follow and she left her a sweet little message. So Helen Evans, thank you so much for being a die-hard subscriber. I really appreciate you. Also, I want to shout out Wendy, which is Wendy's Nails. I call her my mama. We've been chatting for quite a while now, and I love her dearly. And she is on, I'm not sure, I want to say 76 subscribers. God, I don't even know. But if you're not already subscribed to her, then please go over and check her out. She does some really gorgeous acrylic sets. Also she does gels, and yeah, she's so lovely. I love her so much. And also to Jane's Nails and Hair, which is Wendy's daughter. I'm not sure how many subscribers she has, but if you're not already subscribed, then please go over and check both the ladies out. I will leave I'll leave the link to their channels down below. So yes, down to this video. A few weeks ago I entered a giveaway on Laguna Moon Beauty. They were doing this giveaway for a gel glow in the dark. So I entered and I bloody won. I couldn't believe it. So this arrived today. It's sealed still. I haven't opened it quite clearly. So I was thinking I was going to do a set, but I'm just going to do one nail and see how it turns out. Okay, it's an 8mm glow in the dark soak off UV LED gel polish. So it is GL015. Oh, it's a purple. I thought it'd be clear. Okay, it smells like gel. Okay, so I am going to do a design. I was thinking just do a bikini and then have the background like glowing. So I'm going to use this Urban Graffiti, which is in Snow White. So I'm going to do two coats. It seems every time I want to record, the whole world and his wife want to come outside and be bloody noisy. Right, I'm going to pop that in the lamp. And then I will do a second coat and I'll be back. Okay. Okay, that has had 2 coats. Let me zoom you in a tad. Okay, so I am going to do 1 coat of this, bang it in the lamp, and then do a design over the top. Right, I'll be back. Okay, that is out. Now I'm going to do a bikini. Oh my god. It's a cream to my hands. give it a top coat. I love that. Cute. I've just realised, because we're broad daylight, I don't know how I'm going to show you that this glows in the dark. So maybe I will come back nighttime. Yeah, I think that's the best thing. I'll come back nighttime and show you. But do you like my bikini? It's kind of cute. Anyway, I'm gonna go. When it's dark, I will come back. See you.